Okay, so problem solving this morning is basically just taking the information we learned yesterday when we learned how to create an algebraic expression and taking it from a word problem. Now, if you will remember, we have to read these problems as if we're trying to think about the order of operations we're going to solve them when we make those expressions up, okay? So yesterday we were getting hung up on a couple of the two-step problems and not really knowing if we should put parentheses, if we should put the multiplication and division before or after the addition or subtraction. But if you think about the order of operations, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, always, 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 if it's just a two-step problem, do the multiplication and division first, addition and subtraction second. You won't need the parentheses, right? But if somebody reads your problem wrong, those parentheses are what's going to put them right back into the right order of operations, okay? So the first one says reason. The distance around a closed shape can be expressed as 3 times the length of side S or 3S. Remember, when you have a number next to a letter, all we've done is remove the multiplication symbol, okay? Algebra removes the multiplication symbol because if they had 3 times x, you would see 3xx, right? So we remove the multiplication symbol and we put a letter next to a number signifying that we are multiplying, okay? Draw an example of this geometric shape. So this one isn't even asking for an algebraic expression, it's asking for what? A geometric shape. So using cubes, when we circle our key numbers, we have 3 or 3s, right? Does that mean 3 times 3? No. That just means these are the 2 numbers I've seen in my problem, okay? Underline the question. This one actually doesn't end in a question mark, does it? But it is giving us something to do, right? Draw an example of this geometric shape. Box the key words. What are your key words up here? Geometric shape. Very good. Times and length, right? Anything else? No. I think we got them all. So if you're thinking about 3 times the length of each side, 3s, what geometric shape are you thinking of? Very good. So a triangle is what they're looking for. Thumbs up if you understood that one. Pretty simple, right? All right, let's look at the second one. Manuel sold a cartons of raisins. Write an algebraic expression to represent how many cartons of apple juice and raisins Manuel sold in all. So do we have any key numbers yet? No, no key numbers, right? But we do have variables. What are our variables?
R and A.
Okay. R for what?
Raisins.
A for what?
Apple.
Apples. What is our question?
How many cartons of apple juice and raisins Manuel sold?
Okay, so we want to know how many in all, right? What algebraic expression would we write to represent that? In all is what?
Addition.
Very good. It's addition. So how would we figure out how many cartons they sold in all?
A plus R.
Very good. A plus R. Any questions on those? Okay, so that's what our problem solving is going to involve today. We are simply going to take a look at the problem, use cubes, okay? If you don't have numbers, you have variables, right? So we're going to take those variables and we're going to write an algebraic expression. Any questions on that? You also have the remainder of your playlist